What's going on, guys? So today what I did was for the $25 stock challenge. Ooh, that's a big bird. Hold on, let me see if I can see that big. Like he want to get me. But so what I did was I bought old Realty. I like this stock. They are on like the 652nd or 657th dividend payment consecutively. They've paid every month. They own a lot of commercial properties, plazas, um, different commercial properties that own house gas stations and with long-term contracts, businesses with long-term contracts. Therefore, that they're always getting paid. They have over, I'm gonna say 98%, but I'm gonna say over 95% um, of their units rented out. So they don't have no vacancies like that. Everything usually stays rented. Old Realty I've been following for a long time since I first started messing with stocks and since COVID, and they've increased. Listen, guys, stocks like this aren't fast movers. They're not gonna double by next year. Uh, they're not gonna triple by next year because they're paying you money. These are dividend stocks. I put dividend stocks in a portfolio first because I want you guys to get a sense of getting something back. All right, trust me, it's gonna get more exciting. Trust me, I got some stuff lined up that I'm doing in my other portfolio. But I want you guys to understand it's a process. It takes time. Now listen, it's a $25 challenge. I don't care if you put 2,500 in your account every day. I don't care if you put 250 in your account every day. I don't care if you put 25 in your account every day. I don't care if you put $2.50 in your account every day. Put something in your account every day to go along with the challenge. And buy something. Buy some stock. All right. We are going to game. I'm focused on gains, just like when I'm in the gym, getting gains. Step back for you. Gains, and this gains. When you consistently do something and positive, you're gonna have positive results. When you consistently do something negative, which is not investing in the market, you're gonna have negative results. You're not gonna see no gains. So let's jump into the portfolio and show you what I got for my $25 of buying old Realty today. The share price is at $60. I spent $25. That's called a fractional share. Okay, I bought a fractional share, and you're still going to get dividends off your fractional share. You're going to get a fractional dividend. All right, and the more you put in it, you'll eventually have a full share, and you'll get a full dividend. And once those dividends, I got something I'm doing with the dividends. First, that's why I say it gets more exciting. I'm not going to go into what I'm going to do with the dividends yet until we get to that point. All right, see you in a minute. Let's jump into the portfolio. Okay, guys, jumping into the portfolio. Um, well, 25 a day, guys, is what I've been doing. I started this, I don't know. This probably day 6. I can't even keep count now. But 25 a day consistently is what I've been doing since I started. You do the math. I don't have time. And here we have, the very first one. You see what else is still in there. Everything is still in there. All right, we're going to go to O. It's worth 25.13. I remember I just spent $25, so I'm up 13 cents on O. But you know I don't count today. I'm not looking at 13 cents. That's nothing. All right. Realty Income. Let's see what it say. A real estate company which engages in generating dependable monthly cash dividends from a consistent and predictable level of cash flow from operations. The company was founded by William E. Clark Jr. and Evelyn Joan Clark in 1969 and is headquartered in San Diego, California. The listed name for O is Realty Income Corporation. All right, they got 418 employees. Market cap. This company is worth $52 billion, almost $53 billion. All right. The dividend yield is 5%. That's pretty good. That's better than the bank. You feel me? Now, right now, some people saying, oh, it's only worth $50, right? If it goes to $50, guess what, people? We're going to keep buying it, all right? Don't think about, oh, I'll spend 60 on it. It dropped to 50. Guess what? You're getting a discount. Because this thing, listen to me. Are people going to stop going to get gas? Are people going to go stop shopping? You know, I know a lot of online shopping exists, but listen, ain't nothing like going in the store, trying it on, making sure it fit right then. You gotta go out tonight. You got a job interview right in an hour. You can't shop online for those type of things, people. So the strip malls and the convenience store, commercial properties they own are always gonna be in demand and needed and necessary. So listen, Realty is a winner in my book. Listen, none of this is financial advice. You do what you want to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Now, has options you can trade. See this? They monthly options. So you can make a little extra money when you get 100 shares. You get 100 shares of and you'll be doing something a little bit different with your cash flow. All right? Like this, I'm not going to go on the options just yet. We're not done building a portfolio up. So let's go here. We did it's $25.11. See, that's what I said. I'm not counting today. I actually want this to drop to 50. Because guess what? If I would have put $25 in and it was $50, guess what? I would have got half a share. All right. When I first got on the I would have had more than half a share because it was cheaper than $50. But let me see. Let me look at how much it was. This is COVID back here. $36. You could have got a whole share. So think about the people from COVID times all the way to now. From 36 and then August of 2022, it was $73. See, so some people pay $73 for this same share that you getting for $60 today. Do I feel like it's going back into the 70s? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do I want it to go to the 50s before it go back to the 70s? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So, because guess what? This ain't a race, people. It's a marathon. And the longer you stay in it, you're gonna win it. All right, y'all. Enjoy y'all day. I'm out. Realty. $25 challenge.